Now, on page 23 in your books, children, there are certain terms which have been given which are a part of a survey map, and their definitions are given. I have ticked a few of them as they are the ones which have been asked in the board exam. I'll explain them over here and then I'll show them to you in the map also. So, one of the terms that you will see in the hilly areas where you have forest, the green colored portions, the term fire line with the symbol like this, which is a clearing made in the forest to prevent the spread of fire. We have done it in the natural vegetation chapter, so you should know what it is called about. Then we have causeway. A causeway is when you have a metal road and a dry stream is there and the metal road is going over it. Now this symbol you will see in many places. I will show it to you also. It is something which is only associated with the metal road. This is wrong. This car track symbol is wrong. Only this is the one which you have to focus upon, where you have the double red line of the metal road and the dry stream. It can also be a dry river where the double line is there. I'll show you both of them. Definition, however, please note, and you can pause and write down the definition. It is a raised, at the word metal road, you will delete or platform, across a dry stream or river. It has to be dry, seasonal, not for perennial, not for river dry with water channel. These are those kind of areas and streams and rivers which have water only for part of the year, and the rest of the year they remain dry, and so it is easy to cross these rivers because they remain dry for most of the time. Then we have contours, which definition I have already shown you in the previous video, but I have ticked it here also. Then you have the word brackish. Now many times you will find the blue dot of the well and the term brackish written next to it, and brackish means that the perennial well indicates that the water of the well is salty. Please understand, it is salty and no other word has to be used like dirty or muddy. It has to be salty, otherwise marks don't come to you, and not fit for irrigation or drinking. That means if you see that in a well it is written brackish, obviously it will tell you immediately that we cannot drink the water. You can't drink salty water. I'm sure you understand that, my children. And you can't even use it for irrigation purposes. Salty water is not used for irrigating crops. Other terms are not that important, and these are the ones which you have to pay attention to. On page 26 also, there are one or two terms which I have already told you, but I have again, since keywords are given, you have to learn scales definition, contour interval. I have written in the previous video, but here you also have the same definition written over here, and broken ground. Some of the terms you will see are overlapping. So broken ground is found in arid region. Arid means dry areas where the topsoil gets eroded due to flooding during the rainy season. It is uncultivable land, and if you all know, we have seen these symbols. I'm going to show them to you all just now, all these terms that I have just discussed. So this is the fire line I wanted to show you in the map, where you can see the fire line. Here also you can see fire line is written, and these black broken lines have been made. That means the clearing has been made along the line where it has been marked over here in the map. Similarly, there is a smaller clearing here. So in the forested areas, you will keep seeing these fire lines. So this is one of the feature which I have just explained to you all. Now I wanted to show you all the causeways. You can see that this double red line, children, because of the printing it is looking very thick red line, but it is actually a double red line. As you can see, a stream is crossing it here, a dry stream is crossing it here. There's a dry stream here. At some places they have mentioned the term causeway also, but you have to understand that when this metal road has been made, every point where the metal road is being crossed by the dry stream here, or in the case over here it's a dry river, there is no blue line here, you just see the black dots. So the road has been constructed by building a causeway to go from this end to that end, then only the vehicles can move across. So every point where you see the metal road being cut by a dry stream, here also you will have a causeway. So these are causeways, and they are all on a metalled road. Here you can see the term brackish, and the blue dots of the wells which are visible over here. A question can be asked that why is this well unfit or not of any use? Is because the water in this is brackish, which means it is salty water, unfit for drinking, unfit for any kind of irrigational work.